Yeah, I like it a lot so far. I like the city. It's a small city, but it's it has a good feel to it. I like the team a lot. I got to know the guys pretty quickly. Been practicing for a couple of days and feel good. I feel like I have a high basketball IQ. I know how to play the game. I understand the game. I feel like I shoot the ball well. It's something I do. I have good size, but I can shoot a three pretty well. I also play a little bit inside. I'm comfortable playing inside as well. So, I think I can do those things. I knew, I knew of the team. I didn't know much about Manresa, but I knew about the club a little bit, and I've known some guys that, not known personally, not known well, but I know some guys that have played here in the past, and then meeting these guys, my teammates now, that helped me get adjusted pretty quick. They said it's a good atmosphere. They said the fans are good fans, so I'm excited, to play in front of the home crowd. It'll be a good first game. Yeah, it's obviously a great league, probably the best in Europe, and Valencia's a really good team. They have some very good players, and it's going to be a tough game for sure. But I think being at home, I think if we come out and play well, we can come away with a win.